Mandeville City, Mandeville Town. When I mark it, hey brother. Oh, go on. Rasta. Mandeville Town, you know. Yeah, brother, oh, go on. Cat man, oh, go on. Think good? Let's look yourself, you see? Look at yourself. Ah. Hold on, brother. Mandeville Town. Watch out. Watch out. Let me see.
You should have video and put it on Facebook.
No true.
Every jump up on that, you put it on Facebook.
What you say? What you say about? Come here.
And you want, sir?
Oh, hello, come here. Boy, give me now. Can I go over now? Come on, make over. Where you are then?
Alright, you're going to get
some boy, give me.
What you mean?
Oh, yeah.
As long as you see pussy, you never.
Huh? What's the moment? What you say you want to say? Yes. So boy, can't come now and say you're not turn up.
Alright, come to my yard.
Eh?
Come to my yard.
I'll take your brands off and lick you with it. Soap man, I hear him. Big up yourself, Soapy. Original Soapy. My market. You see me and say, yeah. Today I go and do some plug, you know? Mommy, what go on? Morning. Evening. You doing? Good? How go on, brother? Yeah, bad people. Market. Wednesday. Good evening. Morning. Praise Jesus. Rasta youth. Bless yourself, Rasta youth. Yeah, respect. Market, yeah. Yeah, Bingy, yeah. Hustler, look at yourself.
Come back to me, baby.
Where I cry for my youth? What a puffy yam? Ah. Market. Mommy, oh, go on. You're fire. I'll go on, brother. I'll go on, sir. Go on, Jenna. Go on, mommy.
May I come to you?
Chinese one at 15. Don't buy Chinese, walk on, brother. Yeah. Still I see I pitney, what go on? One of the mango you want, you know? One of the mango you know? Much it? Oh, no, it's a, you know, we used to go market in Rasta. So go have, you know. We're selling it. Huh? What movie? I don't watch a movie. I don't watch a movie. What?
Everybody went on the markets.
No, we don't watch people. Yeah. Your market. Eh? You're a vendor, right? You never know who can see your point and come buy something from you. If it was a white man doing it, you wouldn't say that, you know? You wouldn't say that. If it was a black Rasta man, you would have said that now. If it was a Rasta man doing it, it's a problem. If it was a white, like me I tell, if it was a white lady coming in right now, you wouldn't say that, you know? You wouldn't run away, you'd never do that. I lie. You're not running. If it was a white man, you'd say it's all good. It's a yard man like him, say, yo. See a donkey here. Push through. Donkey. Yeah. Morning, brother. What go on? Just take a picture of your donkey to show my daughter, you know? Yeah. She don't know what donkey and them thing there, you see it? Once you put on the hamper on it, you know? See? Donkey and the hamper. Yeah, you have a mule up there, so. I go on, fireball. Good? Good? Yeah. I go on, brother. There, you did. There, man. Eh. Really, man. Oh, no, remember you, man. I call to you, man. I call to you, man. I did.
Oh, yo, General, here.
I call me here, man. I'm see how this has come down. Oh, see you here, man. Remember everybody, you know, man. Eh. Yeah, man. True. Eh. Me? No, me them thing again. We all there now. Hey, we still have them, you know? You know? Eh. A big man I know. I'm looking at my daughter, you know? Eh. I want me have, man. One me have, eh. Morning, brother. Oh, go on, you know. Nothing for this, man. Oh, donkey is our mule. Man, look so small. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh. Come on, they must have straining a grunt when they might carry load or something.
Come on.
I want to bring my daughter then next time, you know. So we can put him back on them something, you know. So donkey here. I put on the amp and sit them on him. Eh. Yeah, man, eh. Yeah, man.
What you mean?
Yeah, man, I eat, man. I eat, brother, I eat.
I want this book.
Sun warm this morning. Donkey, I get him thing there. I mean, get him ready for work, you know. See him ready enough to go work.
Yeah.
Eh. Yeah. I eat man. The man gone and ground with the donkey there. See what I say? Yeah, so we do it in trelawny, Jamaica. You see me? On the corner. Nobody man no informer on the corner. Me no love likes. Me no pressure bus pipe. Me no laugh at people, no laugh people, no. Right now, Christiana. This is Christiana. And I'm Monday. Today what? Monday, yeah. This is Christiana and I'm Monday, you know what I mean? Vlogging live. Christiana and I'm Monday. Kind of busy still. Next stop, Mandeville. One already, two are move. One already, two are move. Ready, sir? I want to know that thing they mean, you know. Eh? About poor people. Yes, you want to talk? Alright. What you say, you know what I mean? They interview everybody, you know what I mean? That's me ask, so what go on? What's your name? What you deal with?
My name is Whip Wap.
Whip Wap?
Yeah, I'm an upcoming artist.
Upcoming artist? Yeah? Which where you come from?
Christiana Dublin.
Dublin?
Yeah, Christiana.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, I can't get a piece if you want to.
If you want, you can go on, man. Nothing wrong with that.
The woman them a call me, yeah, and that's a threat. So when they want me, what me go get? I talk about the send them a go wicked to me. Talk about the send them a go kill me with it. The woman them a call me, yeah, and that's a threat. So when they want me, what me go get? I talk about the send them a go wicked to me. Talk about the send them a go kill me with it. The woman them a text me, yeah, and a cuss me. I talk about that she vex with me. A long time now she have a papi a sex. I pity me no know a woman that she vex. Me tell her such a wrong, such a know that her ex. Give down to me heart, you know no help me vex. Tell her such a wrong, such a know that her ex. Give down to me heart, you know no help me vex. Woman him a call and they tell her to come. See you little woman, she a come out with the fun. When the fire eat a blaze and the fire eat a bun. When the fire eat a blaze and the fire eat a bun. This is your little woman, she a twist and a ton. I want to say, when me see it a run. He said that Mr. Wappa said the answer you be done. He said that Mr. Wappa said the answer you be done. Let's see him money, you wap take the answer. So me see the you will grant Canadian and pound. See the you will grant Canadian and pound. We said that woman, you don't know about me. It seems like that you're really crazy. Under me, girl, I eat a carry mercy.
You see your bad, you see?
Girl, you know the mercy.
Yeah. Bad me general, you're bad man, you see me?
Yeah.
So where you going? Where you selling now?
I'm going to say no steering cover and I want a bus brother and
Yeah, bless up. Yeah. You drop your thing right there, so you know.
Yeah, have a style.
Yeah.
Have a style.
Student morning.
Have a style.
Yeah.
Have a style and how you spell Jamaica.
Tell him what. Give me style again. Go on again. Hold on. Sorry. Good morning, here.
You ready?
You ready, man? You ready, man? Go on, man. Yeah, whip wap.
Yeah.
The girl them chip pop.
Long time I want to bust. People like a balloon, like a can't tell like a bullshot. But me have to bust. So I say things, sir. You want to hear the thing in here? Idiom, how you spell Jamaica?
Tell me them here. No, she can't spell Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
She can't spell Jamaica, you know.
Oh, look now, I freestyle when I use the unbeatable. Ready? In here, how you spell Jamaica? Jamaica. How you spell Jamaica?
Yes, a record, man.
Come
a record, man. My thing was a record, man.
Come on for the
Go on again.
three.
One again.
How you spell Jamaica? Jamaica. With what? Jamaica. Messenger. How you spell Jamaica? Jamaica. Jamaica. I tell them, don't put it on that to get that, get it,
Come on, man.
Hey, you know, oh, you spell like Christiana. Christiana. I bet they DJ Colonel. Come and say, I just tell you piece side.
Yeah, man,
I'm here to 45.
Yeah, man, you're bad, man. You go on your things. The business going good, though.
Not really, but you know, you have to go on.
Yeah, man, I
Why you
just
do something with the tune for me, no good on?
yeah, man, I'm going to post it, man. You see me? You post it, man. You see me? I say, you know anything going on, when you go online, you know. You see me?
Yeah, you want to take the number?
Eh? No, man, I'm going to post it, man. You see me? Can be there, but I'm sorry. See, she mad, you know, because I don't know why she upset. So, one taxi, man. Yo, I'm going to ask you a question, my lad. See? When you say one already, two more, what that mean? Eh? What that mean? You see, a taxi man, you stand, he can't answer a question and use every day now. Yo, clear and buckle. You like sorry. Man, the moment, what go on? You alright?
Yes, I put my local thing in one side.
What that? Yeah, man. You don't know so? Not the back. One already, two more move.
Come in a month.
I'm at the one.
Russia did it.
Yeah,
You
see me? So, we can't link you a little then, man? She don't left yet. She know your number. Right now, we're in a Christiana town. Cut off a piece here. Taxi man, man. You see me? Yeah, brother. Yeah.
On Wednesday, 29th of May.
Yeah, man, no, boss, that's the man, Jimmy, you see me?
Christiana from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Thursday.
Yo? What you say? Right now, Christiana used to be, you know what I mean, just part of their life, you know what I mean? I just, Christiana Monday. Good morning. What you guys doing? Praise Jesus. Praise the Lord. How you doing, mommy? Yeah, we are Christian right now, you see me? You know, vlogging life. You know what I mean? This is what I do today. It's a walk out, come out the door and see what's going on. You know? You see me, I say? Used to be my place, and then our place. Right now, Christiana. This is Christiana. And I'm Monday. Today was Monday, yeah. This is Christiana and I'm Monday, you know what I mean? Vlogging live. Christiana and I'm Monday. Kind of busy still. Next stop, Mandeville. One already, two more move. One already, two more move. Ready, sir? I want to know that thing they mean, you know. Eh? About poor people. Yes, you want to talk? All right. What you say, you know what I mean? I interview everybody, you know what I mean? That's me ask, so what going? What your name? What you deal with?
My name is Whip Wap.
Whip Wap?
Yeah, I'm a upcoming artist.
Upcoming artist? Yeah? Which where you come from?
Christiana Dublin.
Dublin?
Yeah, Christiana.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, I can't get a piece if you want to.
If you want, you can go on, man. Nothing wrong with that.
The woman them a call me, yeah, and that's a threat. Come in the world, me what me I go get. I talk about the send them a go wicked to me. Talk about the send them a go kill me with it. The woman them a call me, yeah, and that's a threat. Come in the world, me what me I go get. I talk about the send them a go wicked to me. Talk about the send them a go kill me with it. The woman them a text me, yeah, and a cuss me. I talk about that she vex with me. A long time now she have a papi sex. I pity me no know, a woman to see vex. Me tell her such a wrong, such a know that the ex. You don't know me heart, you don't know help me vex. Tell her such a wrong, such a know that the ex. You don't know me heart, you don't know help me vex. Woman him call me, they tell her to come. See you this woman, she come out with the fun. But the fire eat a blaze and the fire eat a bun. When the fire eat a blaze and the fire eat a bun. This is a woman, she got twist and not on. I want to say, when me see it a run. He said that Mr. Wappa said after you pay done. He said that Mr. Wappa said after you pay done. But see him money, you wap take the answer. So me see the you will grant Kenny and pound. See the you will grant Kenny and pound. He said that woman, you don't know about me. You seem like that you're really crazy. Under me, gala, you don't carry mercy.
You see your bad, you see?
Gala, you not get mercy.
Yeah. Bad me general, you bad man, you see me?
Yeah.
So where you going? Where you selling now?
I'm going to say no steering cover and I want a bus brother and me have a...
Yeah, bless up. Yeah. You drop your thing right there, so you know.
Yeah, have a style.
Yeah.
Have a style.
Student morning.
Have a style.
Yeah.
Have a style and how you spell Jamaica.
Tell him what. Give me style again. Go on again. Hold on. Sorry. Good morning, here.
You ready?
You ready, man? You ready, man? Go on, man. Yeah, whip up.
Yeah.
The girl them chip up.
Long time I want a bus. People like a balloon, like I can't tell you like a motion. But me have the bus. So I say things, sir. You want to hear the thing in here? How you spell Jamaica?
Tell me them here. No, she can't spell Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
She can't spell Jamaica, you know.
Oh, look now, I see the style when I use the name and beat each other. Ready? In here, how you spell Jamaica? Jamaica. How you spell
Yeah, the record, man.
How
the record, man? My thing has a record, man.
Come up for the
Bad.
One,
again.
2, 3.
One again.
How you spell Jamaica? Whip what? Jamaica. Messenger. How you spell Jamaica? Hey, you put it on that to get that, come on, man. Hey, you know, oh, you spell like Christiana Manchester. I will DJ come and say, I just tell you a piece side.
Yeah, man,
I'm not a 45.
Yeah, man, you're bad, man. You're going to your things. The business not going good, though.
Not really, but you know, you have to go on.
Yeah, man, I
just me with the tune for me, with all.
Yeah, man, you're going to post it, man. You see me? You're post it, man. It's me also say you know anything going on. I mean, when you go online, you know. You see me?
Yeah, you want to take the number?
Eh? No, man, I'm going to post it, man. You see me? Can be there, but... I'm sorry. Stop. See, she mad, you know, because I don't know why she upset. It's one taxi, man. Yo, I'm ask a question, my lad. See? When you say one already to a move, what that mean? Eh? What that mean? You see, a taxi man, you stand in cans, I question and use every day now. Yo, clear and buckle. You like this. Man, the money want to go on. You know, alright?
They say, I put my local thing in one side.
What that? Yeah, man. You don't know so? Not the back. One already, two and move. I'm on that one. Yeah, you see me? So I can't link you a little then, man? She don't left you. She know your number. Right now we're in a Christiana town. Cut off a piece here. Taxi man. You see me? Yeah, brother. Yeah.
On Wednesday, 29th of May.
Yeah, man, I know boss, that's the man, Jimmy, you see me?
Christiana from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Thursday.
Yo? What you say? Right now, Christiana, those to be, you know what I mean? Just part of their life, you know what I mean? Just Christiana Monday. Good morning. What you guys doing? Praise Jesus. Praise the Lord. How you doing, mommy? Yeah, we are Christian right now, you see me? You know, blogging life. You know what I mean? This is what I do today. It's a walk out, come out the door and see what's going on. You know? You see me, I say? Used to be my place, and then our place. Christiana town. This is what the town look like on a Monday. Going at the park. Next stop a Mandeville.
I ain't no slipping, I'm a pimp. Working with a quarter million nigga with a feeling. What the mission nigga, let me tell him I'm a spiller. Took me with the bigger, just ran in my ear, get my nigga wet willing. I ain't no trip, just feeling. Working with the bag, trying to get my niggas all a million. Back into the ceiling, shooting this million. I'm the one dealing, happy to be dealing. Bags, keep smelling when I back ceiling. I'm glad nigga throwing, I don't care about your feelings.
I could not keep it off the boat, you say it's out.
Mandeville free. Christiana Manchester. This is live in Mandeville from Christiana. Yeah.
Give thanks and praises to the Most High. The wicked must be spanked.
Some houses.
Salute, are you ready? Alright then. Hey. There's no end without a start, no truth without fall, no question without an answer. There's no violence without motive, no
Well, this is
prison without
Jamaica,
guilty.
people.
Terrorism who is the sponsor. All the violence that kills from all walks of life. Someone will have to answer. There's no time for me to answer. Everyone suffer. People cannot take it no longer. All I say, they must get a meeting
One day.
Father, forgive them, I say. Teach them, oh Father. All I say. They must get a meeting one day. But forgive them, I say. Teach them, oh Father. Make him be bad, now make him lie. And no one will help them. Look how they try. Hey, hey, hey. It's easier to smile. Cause hatred no more love. Oh, my brethren and sisters, we tell you from our heart. And so, I say, they must get a beating one day. But shall we? Lord God, no. Jah, Jah, no.
place, right? That's a dangerous place.
Find the
Man.
joy in
Yeah.
blessing. Alright, but why we do thy blessed will? We find our heaven within us still. The past just takes and show. Now you make everything around I know. All I say, they must get up in one day. Father, give them my praise. You just go Father. Alright. All I say, they must get up in one day. Father, give them my praise. All I say. Now right now, we're defending a different class than what the Babylonians ever deal with. It is just to see justice in every salute for the first time again. Yes, where the purity and the spirituality still exist. You decide. There is good and evil. We shall good. Why raise the time of the Most High? Oh, sons of men. Well, rich man's way is in the city. Oh, destruction of the poor. Yes, I say destruction of our soul. Yes. Well, we may. I know I wonder if it be right now. I say, and I wanna rule my. All right, I wanna rule my. What did I say? We're being Allah. Oh, Manu from it, oh, Manu from it, what can I say? We've been blessed, we've been touched. I love you so much. I feel emphatic. I'm not giving you. We're Mount Zion full of a spiritual cup. With not overstanding shall never be too much. Just like my day and night. For even those festivals. Promise salute I have to say. What did I say? What did I say? I
Yo, give him the book. Give that guy the book. When I go to school, him left me. Yo, just drive off, man. Just go on. Just drive off, man. You now look my out. Go on. Tap your eyes on you, man. Go behind the beer, man. So this is Mandeville, and this is pepper factory or so. I don't know what I'm say name, you know. I don't know the spot down here, but place that I drive through a lot. See me back in the days when I'm there in Jamaica. You understand? Yeah. So this is Jamaica. You know what I mean? Driving from Christiana to Mandeville. And in the parish of Manchester. You understand? Not Manchester London, you know, Manchester United. Manchester in Jamaica. Yeah. You understand? So these places are like a corners and you know. Yeah. See them places, huh? This is beautiful Jamaica. Yeah, this is beautiful. Rastafari's name. Oh, some cane, sugar cane right there, you know what I mean? I want some cane, you know. But I guess next time I come out, I get some cane. On my way back to trelawny. I'm gonna get me some cane, you know. There's some people right there waiting on a taxi or a bus or something. You see me? So this is how Jamaica look, streets of Jamaica, you know. Jack can free the people from Christiana to Mandeville. Yeah. See these places, this is Mandeville. This is cool, you know. This is beautiful Jamaica. See them palm trees, there's a coconut tree. Yeah. Going to cool Mandeville. Yeah. That's a bus right there. Yeah. That's how the buses in Jamaica look. Free your soul. Go on, man, you can't wait. So that guy just overtook me just now. So they drive in Jamaica, you know? Careless. So what the bus them place look like, it's a roundabout. There's a bus behind me. That's what the place look like, you see me? See me have overtook me just now.
Look it up. I want to say it's a pleasure watching the elder statesman, Mr. Jimmy Cliff, do his thing. Elder statesman like Jimmy Cliff paved the way and laid a foundation so Butch Banton and those who came after could inherit the music with a rich and diverse culture. And this day, we want to say Jamaica need to pay more respect to those who are integral in the foundation laying of our music before they die. You all said yeah, but you want to come around and stay a short time. You can start active and make them know say, never honor the man them. So many great ones. Let us chant a prayer. Let's chant a prayer. Let's send of mercy and judgment unto thee. Let us sing. Let's speak wisely in a perfect way and reverent salute to thee. When will thou come unto I? I'll shine in this land with a perfect heart. I'll say no wicked thing before these eyes. I hate the world of them that true. You sound so fine. Could you, I mean would you just say that for me one more time, boy? I'm going on trying to cry. I just don't know even man who's so primitive, saturate his neighbor. Oh. Let your eyes be upon the faithful of the Lord. Yeah. Shine on man.
This is Mandeville. So the roundabout in Mandeville, approach the town of Mandeville. Yeah. Welcome to Mandeville. Cool Jamaica. 2019. Look at those beautiful houses. So this is Mandeville. Yeah, both approach the town, pull over, stop at KFC, so I go and stop and use the bathroom, wash my face because I'm hot. Yeah, Mandeville, Jamaica is hot. This is some of the houses in Mandeville, you know? So people who don't know Mandeville, this is Mandeville. It's a nice place to stay to, you know what I mean? Yeah, visiting. Nice place, you know? Beautiful Mandeville. So this is what I'm doing today, you know what I mean? I'm just running around, vlogging outside. Tomorrow, I'm doing myself, meet up with a couple of friends, you know what I mean? Yeah, tomorrow I'm doing Trelawny. Yeah, and then the next day I do Mandeville Bay. Yeah. If I ride a bike, yang yang. This is it, people. My hometown. You know what I mean? On my way. My first home. Home on our way now. So I'm going to go in the town of Mandeville right now. It's not Mercedes or Pass. So for all of those people who said Jamaica is a big ghetto, I guess you guys are wrong. This is already crossing the street. Right now, both we go to cave, some kids coming from school. Go to go out, go inside there, KFC, right here. Go to the park, right. See that sign say the response to damage of your vehicle. Yeah, so you want to say park your car here on your own. I'll wash my face. So then I respond to people. See this sign? That sign here? The car get blocking our teeth. And I have nothing to do with it. Basically, that's what they're saying. This is Mandeville KFC. Best KFC now. Yeah, the best KFC. You know what I mean? Vlogging life. Like teeth in life. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is what I look like, Mandeville. Burger King down there, so. They say not to eat Burger King in Jamaica. You see me? That them say. Good morning. Can I get $100 please? I'm hungry. I'm homeless. Can I get $1? Looks are deceiving. The man say I look homeless. I don't know me. So then wicked. She don't know me and say I look homeless. Yeah, but one more day again. Mandeville. Where are you working inside or something? I'm not going to the camera tonight because yeah, so this is my old school. Wait a bit. You know what I mean? See it? Them school I used to go. Sometimes we used to have devotion out there, so and we bad. We used to go and buy food. The vendors them. We used to run and sell around the back of the school. That's a bar ground on that side. Yeah. This is my old school. Bar ground over there, so. Remember one time I break. I jump over there something and this look small. When I go to school, this look so big. There's gutter here, so change through the water. Yeah. When I was younger, I used to jump over this and I put a hole on my shoes. See the steel here? Wow, steel still there, you know. Remember one time I bought my toe up on a steel here and bust my shoes open, right there, so. And this steel here, right there, so, you know. Yeah. See it? Memory lane. Right there, so. Bust my toe. Yeah, man. Old school. One off, you know. This is it. Yeah, primary school, you know. It used to be all this, now it's a primary, you know. You understand? Used to be a canteen on this side, that's all. Used to be a canteen over there, so. Come buy my lunch. You know what I mean? I guess now it's a classroom now. So you them have a culture per se. What go on? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are the guys doing over so? What are you plant? String bean? It's a video, man. Yeah. So no one big up. These are the future farmers, right? That's all right. So one want to be in a group. Yeah. What are your time? Scientist you want me? What you want me? You? You? Oh, scientist, all right. Soldier? Mechanic. Why mechanic? Why you want to be a mechanic?
Because I can make.
Yeah? Why you say now? Why you want to be a soldier?
Sir, because can help for criminal.
Oh yeah? Good thing. What you want? Why you want? What you say now? Why you want to be a scientist? Why?
To make like medicine for sick people.
Oh, me like that. You see me, I say, ready, yo, farmer man. You know, you know. So no good though. I'm like one of these, you see it?
Everything cool, man.
Everything good, though. We still got a school here now. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Now go famous one day, yeah? What's your name? Daily. Yeah. Tedra Daily, your father?
Yeah, I'm uncle.
Yeah. How many know say you Tedra Daily? Eh? Yeah, because you know the whole of your family, you know. You know that? Yeah. Eh? Your father in Florida? When eh? Came on, oh, see? Tell her I'm a classmate, yeah? Yeah. Tell her I'm a classmate. Yeah, and to your cousin, you know. Remember, see your cousin this too, you know. You understand? Take care of him, yeah? Alright. Yeah. Yeah, man. I mic this. Yeah. So it work, you know? Yeah. What I say? What do you want big up? What do you want big up nobody? What do you want big up? What I say I want big up? Yeah. Yeah, big them up. Big them up. You say let me cook food. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. You say one of the biggest, richest man in history. Yeah. Yo, where you come from? Which style? Louisville, outside. So outside. George. Yeah. Litchfield. Coleyville. In Corona Backwood, you come from, you know. In Corona Backwood. Litchfield. Yeah. See Backwood, man, there. Yo. You have to pick up for yourself. You want more to say now, Zid? I want to say big up push out TV, Zid? You want to say what I say?
Big up push out TV.
Alright, so but when you're ready, you know what I mean? On our future, you see me I say? You don't want that picture too?
Yeah.
And when I say big up push out TV, Zid?
Big up push out TV.
What you mean?
Push out TV.
Alright, I'm going to take a picture from you, Zid? So you want a picture now? On it. Yellow after. Dog, mongrel dog. Rex. Yeah, me more than them Bex. Rex. Rex. Rex, send them a text. Get the bone them off the text. That's Rex. The dog them I want tonight, you know? What do you mean? Dog, Rex! What do you mean? Rex, have your food on them bed.
Drinking competition is about to go down. This one have a gun over here also. Alright, back it up a little for me, ladies. Back it up, back it up. Back it up a little for me, baby. Back it up. Alright, so right about now, they're going to be introducing themselves. As they do that, just make a lot of noise for them, alright? Motivation. Are you guys ready to make a lot of noise for my contestants? Alright, so contestant number 1, talk to me, what's your name and where you're from?
I'm Aristotle from New York.
New York, New York, come on, make some noise. I want to see no haters in here, alright? Contestant number 2, talk to me.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shawnette, and I represent Jersey, dirty Jersey, every day, all day.
Oh, she got manners. Good afternoon, everybody. Alright, here we go, talk to me.
I came from Cleveland, Ohio, and it's my birthday.
Happy birthday again, Kim. Moving along, here we go.
I'm Brianna from Worcester, Ohio.
Ohio in the house. Come on, make some noise. Everybody, come on, make some noise, make some noise. You know, when it's too quiet, it makes me nervous. I don't want to see y'all. Don't do that. You guys are in Jamaica. I want to hear a lot of noise. I want to see screaming. Everybody acting as if you just won the lotto, all right? I don't want to see none of them. Say, hey, remove your hand, please. Come on. What's wrong with you people? What's your name and where you're from? Talk to me.
I'm Lorraine from Philly.
Alright, now it's about to go down. Now listen up. Now when you guys are going to be stuck, drinking, you're going to be doing it sexy, with style. Alright, so I'm going to ask all the ladies to take the tops off. You can do what? You need Jesus. You better wipe your mouth off. Alright, take this off. Take your tops off. Take it off. Take your tops off and get down. Take your tops off and get on your knees now. Do it sexy. Come on, baby. You can do it, girl. Arch those backs. Come on. Arch those backs. Guys, kids, look away. Alright? Forgive me, Jesus. Now, you're going to put your mouth over that straw. Don't suck. Don't drink. Sorry. Put your mouth over the long thing right there. Put your mouth over it. Put your mouth over it. Put it over it. Don't suck. At the count of 3, I'm going to set them free. Now, everybody, when I say 1, y'all say 2. At 3, they go. 1. Come on, people, wake up. 1. Hey, you see, you've been given a
a lot of trouble. You. When I say one, you say two. One. Okay. Three, go. Come on. Stop. I mean, drink. I'm sorry. Drink. Come on. Who's gonna be walking away with the prize courtesy of Margarita Blower? The best sucker. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Yes. Come on. Stop. Come on. Hey. Come on, everybody. Stop. Come on. You're getting some motivation here. DJ, what's up with the music? Stop. She's dancing with it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look how sexy she's doing it. Come on, go. Oh my goodness. You are so close. Come on, baby. Work it, baby. Come on, baby. You are so close. Oh my goodness. Oh, everything. Come on. Everything. I don't want to see nothing in that cup. You're a naughty little girl. Naughty. Come on, give it up for all my contestants on stage. Come on, give it up for the winner of the fucking the drink. Alright, congratulations. Thanks for playing. Come on down, baby girl. I got your prize for you. That was just... Now, I know you're all by yourself. The only man on the stage. Ma'am, I didn't ask you to sing. Who's doing that? Alright, so now they're going to be dancing for the drink. So the best dancer will walk away with the free drink courtesy of Margaritaville. So they're going to be introducing themselves. What's your name and where you're from? Oh, you don't want to take part? You don't dance? Alright, you're the only man. That's alright. I won't even... But I'm going to come back for you. Just hold on. Don't go too far. What's your name and where you're from?
Jamaica, and I'm from Washington, D.C.
Come on, give it up for Jamaica. Your name is Jamaica. That's what I'm calling you, not Jamaica. Give it up for Jamaica. Contestant number 1. Contestant number 2, talk to me.
My name's Shania, but you're going to call me Miss Broadway. We're from New Jersey. Oh my God, okay? First show, I'm a win.
Hey, this is my show. She show off. You see? Because she know how to talk patois. But you're from where? Jersey? Show off. Who teach you how to talk patois? Yadi. Big up yourself. Talk to me.
Hello everyone. My name is Netta from Jersey. Dirty Jersey.
Yeah. Hey, don't shoot anybody, alright? Careful. Alright, what's your name and where you from? Talk to me.
Hey, what's up? I'm Teresa. I'm from New York.
Come on, give it up. New York in the house. New York is better than New Jersey. New York is that true? New York is better than New Jersey? Is that true? Alright. Which is better? Is it New York? New York, make some noise. Or is it New Jersey? You lose. Alright, here we go. Now, contestant number 1. This is your spot. Yeah, you got 10 seconds to break it down. Show it off. Get hot, get sexy. I want to see booty all over the place. Titties all over the place. Do we got any kids here? No? Alright, so you can do whatever. You can take it off. You can strip. I'm joking. No stripping, alright? None of that. Alright, let me hold your phone for you, baby. I got it. Alright, so at the count of 3, I'm going to set her free. Now when I say 1, y'all say 2, at 3, she dance. 1! Y'all better wake up. 1! Sir, don't think I'm scared of you. I will come over there and I will ask you kindly to make some noise. At the count of 3, here we go. 1! 3, go! Come on, baby! Yeah. go, here we go, here we go. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, 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 yeah. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold on. Is the booty right here or right here? I'm dizzy. Hold on, hey, back, hey, behave yourself. Come on, give it up for contestant number 1. That booty makes me dizzy. All right, contestant number 2, come on. What song do you want? No, that would be cheating. You'd have to dance to the same song. No, soca. Yeah. No, a true dancer dance to anything. Come on, contestant number 2. Come on, give it up for contestant number 2. Boy, what's soca? If you dash out, you know, dash out and brother. DJ, here we go. Dash out, see that? Dash out, Yadi. Dash out, Yadi. Turn on the laptop, Yadi. Turn on the laptop. Turn around. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, 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 hey. They're not gonna speak, they're not gonna create them. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on, give it up for Yadi. Who's for? Yours? All right. Contestant number 3, step forward. You mean enough with her? Don't split up your heads up on him someday. Yeah, Yadi. Wind up your body. All right, wind up your body. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, DJ. Wind up your body, girl. Yeah, 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 yeah. Keep sexy, baby. Yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. Take it off, baby. Yeah, hey. Tease the audience, baby. Tease them. Show them you know what. Yeah. Show them what you got. Yeah. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on, give it up, make some noise. Watch your boots, how are you acting, but you're the fire. All right, come on, baby, come on. Where you going? No, you're on your own, no props. You can't use no props. Back it up, ladies, no girls going wild. Back it up. You can't use no props. You want to take this off? No props. You good? No props. You can't use no props. You can't use the ladies, all right? You're on your own. Here we go. On my song, so. Myself, 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, 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 watch out, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, hey, watching you. You're a naughty little boy. All right, now here we go. Now, it's your time to vote. Who's going to be walking away with the prize courtesy of Mandeville? The free drink should be contestant number 1. What do you have to say about contestant number 2? What about contestant number 3? Contestant number 4? Now you can beat on that table because I'm not hearing. march to the death. Let me see again. Contestant number 4. Alright, so just want to say thanks. Come on, give it up for all the contestants on stage, including the winner. Now my winner, go to the bar right now. You see that handsome fella in the black? His name is Mark. Oh my goodness. All the ladies love Mark. Mark, wave your hand.
So then wicked, you put me thing for that shot I will put over. Just keep walking, man. That's why someone end up. That's some place I end up. I'm gonna put me thing for that and shot talk shit. This is Mandeville. Regular day in the town of Mandeville. Bless it, bless it. Mandeville, tell you what.
Cabbage and carrot, cabbage and carrot.
Today is Thursday. Huh? It's like in the street thing, you know? It's a video, everything, vlogging, you know what I mean? Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I'm going to put it social media, Facebook and everything, you know? YouTube.
So what's on for you?
You see me? Eh? Oh yeah, dance. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. I don't live here still now. I live overseas, you know what I mean? Them way them there, but I do everywhere still, you know what I mean? Cause everything though. I mostly try to interview like youth. Where I got Mandeville Town 2019. Go there and go there. What's up? You doing? Good morning.